see they are all on, so you have to go back. Then after that, tap on permissions over here. So when you tap on permissions, you're going to see camera, you're going to see contact, you're going to see microphone, and also storage. So with this, you have to allow everything, and I can see all these are allowed over here and not denied. You say no permission denied. Don't allow this to be denied. You have to allow everything over here at the top, which is down below allowed. Then after that, let's tap on the back section over here to go back. Then when you get back over here, tap on this storage and cache. So when you tap on the storage and cache, you're going to see clear storage, clear cache. So tap on the clear cache, and if you think you remember your logins, just tap on this clear storage, then you tap on OK. If you don't remember your logins, don't do this. Okay, so when you clear the storage or your cache, you go back, then you tap on mobile data network or mobile data and Wi-Fi. So let's tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, and sometimes too, it depends on the phone you're using. You're going to see mobile data and restrictions. It's all the same. So when you get over here, you have to make sure the background data is turned on. So when this is off like this, you have to make sure it is what turned on like this. So when it's turned on, go back and tap on this force stop. Lastly, you tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. So those who didn't join this live stream fast or early, what you have to do over here is to what? You have to make sure that you have the latest update of this Roblox app. So after updating it, what and doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button over here. So tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see this pop up. It depends on the device you're using. Some device you're going to see this listed over here. Some too you're not going to see this. You're going to see the one that you wipe to the top or down or flip to other side to what to restart or reboot your device. Some device you're going to see restart over here. Other device you're going to see reboot. It's all the same process, guys. So you just have to tap on the reboot or restart, then you tap on OK, and you're going to get this device or your device restart or reboot, which means it's going to turn off, then it turn on automatically without you turning it on. So after doing this process, this is going to work perfectly for you, trust me. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment section, drop it, and I'll be happy if you do that. Tap on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to ask me questions over here. Okay, so it's very important for you to subscribe. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next one. If you have any problem with any app or any settings with your phone, just let me know and I'm going to help you out. Thank you very much. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos like this. So let me try and see whether it's going to open. Where's my Roblox app? So they said I should log in. Okay, I'm coming. So none of the above. Let me select this. It seems I've forgotten my logins. Okay, so oh my god. So let's start from the login to see whether it's going to log in. Okay, so it says updated agreement. So to continue using Roblox, please select I agree to our updated terms of use and acknowledge our privacy policy. We also have changes have been made to the following document. So as you can see, they've made changes on their platform, so you have to agree to this. Okay, so this is the reason why most of you have to what do you call it, update your Roblox when you're having problems. You have to update it. It's very, very important. Do you get me? You have to update it. So this is for Roblox app. This is our Roblox app. I have an account, but I don't really like using it that much. So this is it. It's really working perfectly.